Speech on. Screen curtain on. Screen curtain. Speech off.
Eesh. I cannot believe I'm making myself do another video, but I'm a little bored and don't know what to do. So, like I said, I do have two Bopper carabiners. The one that I had for a few years, that's why I call it personal. It's because I had it for a few years, and I don't think this is my original, because I had an original. I think I found it back in 2014. I think I remember. No, 2013. Wow. I found this in a box at someone's house, I think. And I've had it ever since. I think it was back in January or February of 2013. I've had this for quite a while. I had it for a year, it looks like. I don't know. No, wait a minute. Since 2014, jeez. I had it since January 2014, not eesh. I got my first one in either March or April of 20. I had my first Bopper carabiner since I had an original Bopper carabiner since Easter of 2013, and then I found this second one. I don't know if anyone was using it, but I found it, and it was here ever since. I've had it for a long time, for about 6 years, and it still works. So I'm gonna hey Jake, since you told me it's white, I'm gonna
Bop it to start.
I'm gonna beat it. It's on 25, but
Twist it. Pull it. Shout it. Shout it. Pull it.
you can try
Pull it.
tapping it instead of
Shout it. Bop it.
blowing into
Bop
it.
it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Shout it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Shout it. Twist it. Pull it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Oh! Focus. Concentrate. Score 23.
I was 2 points away. Try again.
Shout it. Shout it. Twist it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Bop it. Bop it. Shout it. Twist it. Pull it. Shout it. Shout it. Bop it. Shout it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Wow. 25.
I beat it.
Bop it.
Let me tell you something else about the Bopper carabiners. My first time experiencing a Bopper carabiner was actually when I was in school at one point. I was like, I think it was sometime in February of 2013, and I was looking at a Bopper carabiner, and I was like, what's this? And then they were like, it's a Bop It. And I was like, okay. So I played it, and I actually beat it the first time I played it. And I was like, okay, cool. So I beat a Bop It. So I liked the Bop It. It was kind of cool. They gave me chances to play it. And, well, I've actually played 4 different Bopper carabiners. The one at school, I'm not going to tell you what school, but it was at school. I'm not going to tell you where, I'm just saying at school. I had my first official in Easter of 2013. Like I said, I found this one. This is the third Bopper carabiner I've played. And then recently, back in December of 2019, I think it was the red one that I got. because it went off beat and I know it. The shouted on that one, like I said in my other video, it didn't work as well. And when was the red one released? Red one in 2019. Wow, that's recent. Nope. No, it didn't. I don't even know what year. I think the blue one, according to Jake, also known as Battlelord Zero, came out in 2012. There was like I said, I think there's white, blue, and red, if I'm not mistaken. If there's any more colors, let me know. Yeah. The clip on this is real good. Just listen. Yep, it's good. I also have a Bop It XT carabiner that I've been meaning to get batteries replaced in. And that's a really good clip. This is my first ever Bop It XT carabiner. I've had it for 3 years. I don't even know if it still works. I mean, I don't know if it's going to work without batteries. Oops. There goes the battery cover. There are 3 things where the batteries go in. Okay. Let's see if I can put that back. Like I said, I've been through a few Bop Its. Excuse that background noise. I'm probably gonna have to go through my 3rd Bop It Extreme because I keep breaking them. I keep breaking Bop It Extremes. It always has to deal with the spin it command. It's always, I think it's very, 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 I think it's fragile. The spin it on the Bop It Extreme. I'm gonna have to go through my 3rd one. This is my 2nd Bop It XT. Like I said, I smashed the Bop It button like really, I really slammed it with my hand, and it was like, oh my gosh, boy did I regret it. It still worked, but not as well. Again, I had to go through a 2nd Bop It show.
Solo, pass it, party, solo, pass it, party, solo. Lasting, quiet, loud, lasting.
I don't like this one very much.
Party, solo, pass it, party, solo.
I mean, it is high-pitched, yes, but it's not.
Quiet, loud, lasting.
It's semi-high-pitched. It's like, it's not, I don't think it's normal pitched, and even if it was, I wouldn't even take that.
I'm going to sleep. Expert, master, novice, expert, master.
Here's something cool I found out.
Expert, master, novice, expert, master.
It's a shame I don't have any of the original Bop Its I used to have.
Bop it to start.
It's so
Shout it.
stupid.
Shout it. 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 What? Shout it. Shout it. Loud. Blasting. Shout it. Shout. 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 Shout it. Shout it.
Yeah. I think it's either normal pitch or
Bop it to start.
semi-high pitched. It's got to be one of
I'm
the two.
going to sleep.
I'm going to have to go through my 2nd Bop It Classic because my 1st one, like I said, broke. So, yeah. I'm going to put this up now. Bop It Show XT. Going first. Oh. Okay. The Bop It Original 2000. Also, thing is running low on batteries. Whatever. Yay. Yo, I'm a Bop It Ninja. I can slap you. Alright, whatever. Enough playing around. I can't believe I can't even keep any of my original Bop Its. That's like what I mean. Like the original Bop It collection that I had was a Bop It Shout Carabiner, a Bop It Shout, a Bop It XT, a Bop It Smash, and a Bop It Extreme 2. I once had two Bop It XTs. I used to have two Bop It Carabiners at one point. I used to have also two Bop It Extremes. Well, I'm about to have to go through my second Bop It Classic, but I don't know when I'm gonna get it. That'll probably be in a while, no, because, well, why would I?